first watch this.
90% of people use AI like a search engine. The other 10% print cash. Here are 3 tips that 10x your output today. Tip 1. Role, task, format. Don't say write me a blog. Say act as a CMO, write a launch email. 80 words, 1 CTA. Specificity is everything. Remember that. Tip 2. Show it one example. Paste in one winning result and say match this style. Your hit rate jumps instantly. Tip 3. Never accept draft 1. Say give me 3 versions, then critique your best one. You just got an editor for free. That's it. Role, task, format, one example, iterate. Most people keep typing lazy one-liners and wonder why AI feels mid. You won't. Still 20,000 plus prompts and 200 plus automations built on exactly this. Sign up at promptslove.com to learn AI, get instant access to everything today.
What you have watched in the video is 100% created by the Claude using HeyGen's MCP and HeyGen's Hyperframes MCP. In this video, you are going to get my exact workflow that you can use and implement on Claude Code or Codex that can help you create videos from a topic or a URL to a full automated video creation system. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you are missing a lot of valuable tips and tricks. Before jumping onto the solution, let me tell you the flow, what the flow is all about. So here you go to the Claude Code and either type a URL or a topic in your mind, just tell it to create a video on it. And the Claude Code will use the HeyGen MCP. It will grab the avatar, generate the video, add the music and SFX, which is the sound effects, and then go back to the Claude as well. And then you have 2 options. Either use HeyGen's Hyperframes or its own FMPEG plus HTML system. So let me give you a heads up that using this option will eat your credits a lot. And this is way optimized than using this. So you have 2 options. You can do that either way. Sometimes I like the output from here and sometimes I like the output from the Hyperframes. So whatever you saw in the video was created by the Hyperframes. And then Hyperframes get that video that includes the avatar, video gen, music SFX, the graphics, cut the video and transition and render that video to MP4 file. So the render will be in the 4K or 1080, whatever you specified in the settings. And the same can be done with the help of Claude without Hyperframes as well. So you have the both options. This is the flow that you can copy, but before that there are something you need to do is install key MCPs. This is the first is the MCP you need to download, and to download that just grab this URL and go to here. So you have all the platforms that you can use: Gemini CLI, Grok, wherever you want to work. The process is pretty simple. But for the Claude desktop, the process is actually not that simple. You have to authenticate using manually. So for example, I have this Claude here. All I need to do is copy this particular URL, go to the Claude desktop, and here is the plus sign. Just click on connectors, and here add a connector, add a custom connector here. And after you do that, just give it a name, for example HeyGen, and paste this and click on add. And after you add that, you will find a warning sign. Just click on it. It will redirect to your HeyGen account, and there you can simply authorize it and it will be enabled like this. And for the second is Hyperframes. Hyperframes is available in the Claude connector library. The process is same. Click on add connectors, browse connector. So here you just need to type HeyGen, and there you will find a Hyperframes by HeyGen. Just add that as well, and then click on a Cowork or a Claude Code wherever you work, and click on new session and enable these connectors like I've already done here. That's it. Now before going forward to create a skill, you need to create your own design system. So if you have the design system, for example, if you have a Claude design system here, like if you go to the Claude./design, you may have a design system like these which has everything about your branding. Then you can share that, export, and click on project archive, zip, and click on download. If you don't have that, then you can use the Google's free tool called Stitch design.withgoogle.com. And the catch here is you can click on start your design in the website section, or if you have something, files, anything like a Figma file, code, images, you just upload that here, or you can add your website. For example, I will add my prompts club and click on continue. Here it will add the prompt like create a design system using a website. Click on this button and now wait for it to finish. Now you have got yourself a design system based on your branding. Just right click on it and click on download, and it will download a design.py file. So this is what you need for your branding consistency in your video editing. And now you have done this. Now it's time to cook in Claude Code. So the option here is two. Either you can go with the Cowork or you can go with the Claude Code. I love Cowork, to be honest. And here first you need to select the folder where you are going to work, and you can select any folder or you can add a new project. Okay, and after you do that, add the design.file you have downloaded like this. Okay, and after that, grab this particular prompt. You can grab that by going in the link in the description box where you will find this particular prompt here. What this prompt say is to create a skill using the skill creator with name using the HeyGen MCP and Hyperframes MCP. So make sure you have those MCP enabled which we have installed. And after that, first analyze the following skills in detail. So these are the two skills for the HeyGen as well as from the Hyperframes. And then analyze design.file. So this can be your folder or .md file, whatever the file name you have, just edit this here. For brand colors, fonts and visual appeal, deploy multiple agents to analyze each in detail. So it will take some time to analyze that detail. So here is user flow. So user will drop either URL, topic ideas, and or you need to first ask the user for the following thing. Ask these things to you: duration of the video, aspect ratio, the avatars in the video. And now, what are the avatars in the video? So if you have a HeyGen account, go to the avatar. Here are the avatars you have. You must have deploy a voice to the avatar. If you want to dive deep into the HeyGen avatar creation cloning, you can grab a copy of promptsflow.com where I have the full course for you, and then dark or light version of the video. So if you want a dark version, dark appeal or light appeal, then your CTA, whatever you want to call in the end. For example, it can be a subscribe to your channel, it can be your offer, whatever you want to call, and voice direction. So you want to direct your voice to be energetic, calm, crying, and list goes on. All the information that I've defined using this flow. So just copy this. You can optimize the way you want it to be and paste that here. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind is it must be selected. Okay, so it's not in the blue, that means it's not yet selected. So all you need to do is click skill creator, and now it's enabled. So this is the only thing you need to do, and click on OK. Then it will start creating a video for you. So let me show you the workflow that I've done. This is the work. So this is the prompt I have done, and it just created multiple videos. And now I'm also creating one which is based on my clone, which you are going to see in the later part video. For example, here I just ask it to create, use HeyGen video creator 30 seconds intro video about promptsflow.com. That's it. And then it asks me some questions about avatar I want to use, the resolution, aspect ratio, everything. And then it scripts everything about my website, what I actually offer on this. It suggested me 3 hooks. These are the 3 hooks I have. Stop paying for 10 AI tools, you need 1. So what if every AI prompt you will ever need, okay, your competitor are scaling with AI? So I think this is actually really cool. So one, now you can read the other scripts. So meet this, and I think this is way better. So I will use a benefit led, and now it's done asking me the question. It will start creating the video. So let it done. I will show you the output of this 30 seconds teaser that I'm building using this.
Stop paying for 10 AI tools, you need 1. Meet PromptsLove, your complete AI marketing bundle. 20,000 plus prompts, 200 plus automations. Custom GPTs, full courses, and a Chrome extension that drops the perfect prompt into ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Stop guessing, start scaling. Everything you need to grow with AI for $199 lifetime payment. No subscriptions, no fluff. It's the ultimate toolkit to master the AI revolution without the monthly bill. Sign up at promptslove.com to learn AI. Get instant access now.
So that was the video. And now how you can actually improve this particular prompt is to add a more design resources to it. By that I mean, if you want to add more icons, you can use Lucid icons library, right? GSAP animation, 3D animation using 3D.js. So these are the libraries that you can use in your prompt to add more visual appeal to your videos. So I hope you learn something about this. If you do, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to support me, join me on promptslove.com. I would like to see you in and help you out in any way possible. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.